KTVU's Jana Katsuyama here now with when the FDA might make a decision on authorizing those doses.
And Frank, that will depend on a few things. First, once Pfizer submits this data, it will be reviewed by an independent scientific committee, which could take weeks to go over the data before making a recommendation. That means a decision by the FDA and CDC might not come until late October or November, but many health officials already are beginning to make plans. Pfizer's clinical study included 2,268 children, ages 5 to 11 years old. They received 2 shots, each dose just 1/3 of the adult dosage. And Monday, Pfizer said the antibodies produced matched levels seen in older children and adults.
Since we know that 16 to 25-year-olds are protected, and antibody is a good measure of that protection, having matched that antibody response, we're likely to match the protection.
Pfizer plans to submit all its data and application for emergency use authorization to the FDA by the end of September. An independent committee, the FDA and CDC, will review the science. At La Clínica de la Raza in Oakland's Fruitvale neighborhood, they are already making plans for distribution if it's approved.
We are starting to make plans. That includes having a mass vaccination clinic in the Fruitvale neighborhood where we can accommodate large numbers of people. We also plan to give the vaccine out routinely.
Pharmacies are also expected to play a key role in administering to children, as well as pediatricians and school sites.
We also have been doing pop-ups at school sites for the 12 through 16-year-olds. We intend to continue doing that for the younger age group.
This Oakland 11th grader says she already got the shots.
I didn't really get any side effects. At least I feel protected, so that's fine.
Her sister is a 6th grader and eager to get hers.
I feel kind of prepared because I know that my whole family has gotten. I'm not really that scared or anything.
Even parents of children under 5 say it could benefit their kids at daycare.
And that's where he picks up a lot of the viruses, these larger daycares where a lot of older kids, or they meet up with older kids later on in the day.
Public health experts say children ages 5 to 11 have different immune systems than older children, thus the different dose.
They should get more bang for the buck in smaller children who tend to respond really well to vaccines.
And timing is key.
People are going to be spending more time indoors as the winter progresses. And then on top of that, you're going to have Thanksgiving and you're going to have Christmas.
Pfizer says they expect to have data for the youngest groups of children 2 to 5 years old and then children under 2 sometime between October and the end of the year. Dr. Schwartzberg and other health experts say COVID cases among children have risen 240% as the Delta variant surged. And if child vaccines are approved, that will be a key factor in preventing transmission this winter.
So it sounds like this could potentially be a real game changer when it comes to the coronavirus, especially among kids here. Jana, best predictions, when do we think that we could actually start seeing these vaccinations in kids ages 5 to 11?
Well, certainly we saw with the older group, 12 to 18 rather, as soon as they got the FDA emergency use authorization, they were rolling out those vaccines right away the next day that same week. So it all depends on how long it will take them to look at the data. The FDA is thinking that it could be just several weeks before they can make this decision. So we'll just have to see how that goes.
Yeah, because I had heard Dr. Fauci saying today that he thought perhaps it might be in early October that we could see this happening. Jana Katsuyama live for us tonight. Jana, thank you.